Every time we try to make a sentence, we need to focus on the first part of the sentence, and that is nothing but up to the main verb. I'm speaking with you. Now, I am speaking. Up to speaking part, my sentence is totally dependent on the right and the practical use of the tense that I need to use in my life. After the specific verb, main verb in this sentence, speaking, I'm using with as a preposition. And then the object part comes into the picture. So if you simply understand how do we use prepositions to make sentences longer, how do we use prepositions to make sentences simple and easy to understand to convey the specific meaning based on understanding of that particular preposition connecting with the object part of that particular sentence. Now, when I talk about the object part can be any specific noun or the object pronoun. Now, you already are aware about different types of nouns. Just look here and there, and you will be able to see every single thing that can be considered as noun. It can be a living thing or a non-living thing. Now, basically, if you see, countable and uncountable nouns are considered in two major categories. Under the countable nouns, you can see collective nouns and you can also see common nouns. Collective means if I see there are so many members on WhatsApp, so we create a group. So if you see, a group is made if there are certain members. So that's why group is a common noun. It's a collective noun. Though it is a common noun, you can consider, but a member is a common noun. If you consider multiple members, it will create that particular group. Second example, if you simply see students, a student is also a common noun. But if you see multiple students together, we can form a batch of students. Now, a batch is nothing but a specific group you can consider. So batch also becomes a collective noun. Something that is in the collection is considered as collective noun, and something that is considered in singular kind of way, that is nothing but a common noun. Like a member, a student, a mobile phone. A phone is also a common noun. There are different types of phone. I can count phone. So collective nouns and common nouns are countable nouns. Before them, we can use the articles a or an. If there is a noun which is nothing but abstract noun which cannot be counted or which cannot be touched, if you see proper noun, names of the people, we cannot even touch that. We cannot simply count how many Sachin Tendulkars are there. No, Sachin Tendulkar is the only person. You are the unique person. I am the unique person. So when it comes to proper noun, when it comes to material noun, or when it comes to the nouns which cannot be counted, like abstract noun, we don't use articles before them. But we definitely use articles a and an when it comes to understanding simple, common, and collective nouns. Why? Because they are countable. Articles a and the, they also have specific connections with nouns, which is nothing but the object part. Along with that, whenever we finish these sentences, we also need to use right conjunctions to make our sentences little lengthy. Now, see, you have been listening to me. You always listen to me whenever it comes to my recorded training sessions, my recorded videos, or my live sessions. I love the way of simplicity. I always feel like if I'm able to convey my thoughts, I should be able to convey my thoughts in simple and easy to understand manner, because that is the intention of communication. People do not worry about your pronunciation. People do not even worry about your minor mistakes. But people are there to get the right information from you. People are there to listen to you to get that particular communication happen. And that is the ultimate goal of communication skills. So if you follow simplicity in your conversation, trust me, you will become a confident speaker by following these things in simple and step-by-step manner.